Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word became. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. After years of hard work and dedication, she became the CEO of the company. Became is the simple past tense of the verb become, which means to come to be something or to undergo a change or transformation. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.